In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Canva. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So once you have your website in Canva, so you need to click on this publish website in top right corner, and from here you need to choose use a custom domain. So click on use custom domain, then choose bring your own domain, then click continue. And here you need to paste your GoDaddy domain. So go to GoDaddy and go to domain section. And from here, you need to copy your domain and paste it here. Then click continue. So now you need to connect your domain manually. So you need to log in to your domain provider to update your DNS records. So click on review steps. And from here, we need to add this first record, which is a record. This is name, and this is the value where it's going to point. So you can copy this value and go back to GoDaddy. And from here, click on DNS. And from here, you need to add a new record. But before that, I'm going to delete my old A record. So it's not going to mess my DNS records. I'm gonna also delete this CNAME. Now we can add a new record. So click on add new record, then choose A. Name was this and value was this. So copy it and save it. Click on save. So first record is done. Now we can click on record added. The next one is also a record. Name is www, and this is where it's going to point. So I'm going to copy this address. Click add new record. Choose a record again and type www and paste the address and click save. So our second record is also done. Then we can click record added. And the third one is txt record. So this is txt, this is name, and this is value. So I'm going to copy this value. And from here, click add new record again, choose txt, then paste this symbol and enter the value. Then click save. So once we have all these three records added, click on record added again and click on I've updated my DNS records. And then click use this domain. So as you can see, it's usually done within 20 minutes, but can take up to 72 hours in some cases. So click on use this domain. Then you can also add your subpath here. So let's say Canva. And then click on publish. So as you can see, your website will be live soon. And you can copy this address. You can click on view preview. So this is my site on my domain. So that's it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.